Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm making bamboo shoot rice with chicken soboro. Bamboo shoot is a young and tender bamboo, a seasonal delicacy in Japan and the other Southeast Asian countries. Crispy texture and the flavor that comes with a little bit of bitterness is all spring. Let's get started. First, let's make chicken soboro. Chicken soboro is a traditional topping for rice. It goes so well with rice. I always make it in a big batch and keep it in the fridge for a quick lunch or dinner. Put your ground chicken into a frying pan. Add in sake and distribute sake into your ground chicken with 3 to 4 chopsticks. Turn the heat to medium. Cook until the color turns white. Constantly stir to break all the grains apart. After 4 to 5 minutes, it should look like this. I don't like the gamey smell, so I always discard the liquid released from the meat. Wash the pan and get it back to the clean pan. Add the rest of the seasonings. Cook until almost all the seasonings are absorbed. Set aside until used. Next, let's prepare the rice. Rinse the rice quickly. Pour water to cover and pour out the water. Swish your hand several times, then pour a generous amount of water. Pour out quickly, then repeat the process one more time. Pour out onto the sieve. Keep the rinsed water to water your plants. Chop your Abura-age or Koya tofu into small pieces. Slice the bamboo shoot in bite-sized pieces. Slice the bottom part against the grain. And along the grain upper part. In this way, you can enjoy the texture. Today, I use rice cooker to cook the rice. Transfer the rinsed rice into a bowl of rice cooker. Add all the seasonings, then pour dashi to the mark. Give it a quick stir. Put Koya tofu and bamboo shoot onto the rice. Turn on the cooker. You can cook in a heavy bottom pan instead. While cooking, let's make something special. Take out the leftover daikon radish pickles from the last week. Roll it up to shape like flower. Beautiful, isn't it? Now let's finish the rice. Fluff the rice with the rice paddle. Transfer the rice to a shallow bowl. The bottom part is browning and it's the most fragrant part, and I like it to be in my portion. Spoon the soboro that we made earlier over the bamboo shoot rice. Place a piece of boiled blossom ray plant. And it's done! Alternatively, you can make it into an onigiri. Take out a piece of plastic, place a tablespoon of soboro and 2 tablespoons of rice. Make picnic basket with a various rice bowl and go out for enjoy the spring. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Click like if you like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please visit my website for more information. Follow me on my social media for daily update. And the store on Amazon is open 24/7, so you can check the ingredients and tools. The link is in the description box below. Thanks again, and I will catch you again in a week. Bye!